Hi guys, and welcome back to Modifix. My name's Dan, and today we're doing something very exciting. On this freakishly summery day in the middle of September, we are going to pick up the replacement for the Cube. You're going to love it. So you ready for it? Let me introduce you to my Toyota Corolla T Sport. So this is my Toyota Corolla T Sport. It's got 103,000 miles on the clock. It's fully loaded, climate control, electric, everything. That mirror doesn't work. Steering wheel is beautiful. And these are special seats, they're called pepper pot seats. And there's a nice little gash there. The other seat has also seen better days, but probably could just do the cleanup. I think it has got a few holes in it. So another thing that needs replacing on this car is this horrible, crusty, minging knob. Look at the state of it. It's all split open for some reason. Must have had some serious action in its life. It needs to be replaced, and if you have any suggestions, I'm open to them. So do let me know what your knob looks like and if it feels good in your hand. And I have got my old MR2 knob, so don't get upset, Corolla, but that's what you're getting for now. You know, the leather's sort of unstitched itself, but at least it feels alright in the hand. That one, the old one, just split and it was horrible. Might have to raise this as well. Let me just have a quick look at that. Alright, so you have to take the ashtray out first. Let's just push the top bit down. Just push that top bit down there. Pull it out. Ex-smoker car this, that explains the seats. Disgusting. So that comes out, and then this just pulls up from this end and out of there, and then you have to undo that wire, but I'm not going to bother. And then I think I just have to move this thing up, so I'm going to do that and put it back together. Alright, that thing there actually sits in a little groove so it doesn't move it up and down, but I'm just going to put it in a random place. It doesn't need a lock to hold that gator in place, so I've just unclipped it, moved it up, and it doesn't move very easily, so as long as it closes the gap, I don't really care. So that'll do for now. I'll put it back together and I'll show you in a minute. Alright, so that's done. What do you think, guys? That will move if you really push it, but there's no reason for anyone to push that unless when you're cleaning, so that'll do for now. I will get a new knob, make recommendations, and I'll invest. The other thing that's missing is this flap here, so I might have to actually change this whole thing anyway. And that's, I don't know if this here, this is like electronic climate control or air conditioning or whatever you want to call it. I've seen ones where they have knobs on them, so that's a bit different, I think. And we need a flap there, and that's it really. And I've got to figure out how to get this off really, so I can change the stereo. The stereo's also seen better days. Bodywork wise, there's a nice dent there. You know how I love my cars with dents in them. And a little bit of a rust spot there. Got these beautiful 6 twin spoke alloys with a deep dish and red calipers. Discs, on a serious note, are quite alright. They're dimpled and slotted. This mirror is hanging, so we're gonna have to sort that out. The front brakes also dimpled and slotted. The front bumper has seen better days. It's got a bit of a gash there, and then it's got pretty bad paint all up the top. I'll see if I can machine that out. If not, Might need a paint job, but it's looking like it will need a paint job. Headlights need restoring. It's nothing we haven't done before. It's got these funky lights on the front of these here. I don't know what they're about, but they're there. So I might try them out and see what they do. Actually, if anyone knows what these lights are about, there's a yellow one here. It's been taped over, and a white one there. Maybe it was some sort of response vehicle, I don't know. And then what else have we got? Bodywork isn't too bad. It's generally dirty, but I did just pick up the car, so you can't be too horrible to it. Oh, it's got a nice gash there in the bumper, which we all like to see. The red for danger Toyota badge, and then T Sport badge, and then it's got a nice little performance exhaust on it, which has really nicely been cut out. Look, the bumper's been cut out beautifully for it. It's got the beautiful TTE spoiler, and of course the legendary 2ZZ engine. This engine, you might wonder what's so special about it. Revs to 9,000, variable valve timing lift injection. Basically the cams lift at 6,000 revs. This engine, well, the head in particular, I don't know if you can see from here, is actually developed by Yamaha, and that explains its bike characteristics. In here I've already checked, there's a K&N filter, which is useful. So this car's already on the right tracks. It just needs a bit of a tidy up, a bit of a going through, a bit of a service, etc, etc. So I think the first thing I will do is clean the car. As you can see, years of crud. Engine bay looks quite tidy. It was a Part X car. You probably want to know how much I paid for this. I don't know if I should tell you. No, I will. I paid a grand sum of £880 for this beauty. Can't really go wrong for that, to be honest. So I think you'll all agree, guys, that this car is a very worthy successor to the Cube. We're gonna have lots of fun with it, and in the next few videos I'll be cleaning it and doing some work on it, so I'll keep you updated on what I'm doing. And I hope you like the car, and if you do, if you've got one and you want to see more content on the Corolla, then subscribe, like, and look out for future videos.